Okay, in the movie The Revenant, I'm going to try to explain this to you because it is just so mind-boggling when you put it together with the rest of the show note images, and realize that this scene that I'm about to kind of reenact for you, because I couldn't sit there and videotape the movie because that's a crime. So I'm going to have to show you what was going on in the movie at the time, and it was the opening scene of the whole movie. And I'm gonna reenact it for you. So it starts with an image of a tree, and the wind is blowing, not hard, quietly, and you hear this voice whispering in the wind, and it's the Pawnee language. And so you hear this voice whispering in the wind, and it's the Pawnee language. And so I'm gonna kind of reenact it for you so you guys can hear. And I recorded the audio with my own voice in the movie. I just, because the words were written down at the bottom of the screen. They were subtitled in the movie while you're looking at the Pawnee and listening to the Pawnee language, and the tree is just taking up the entire screen. So now I'm going to give you an example of what that was like. And then the camera panned to this dad talking to his son. Okay, so you were looking at an image that was comparable to this, and you would hear the Pawnee language very quietly. And these are the words that were said. It's okay. I know you want this to be over, son. I'm right here. I'm right here waiting. But don't you give up. Do you hear me? As long as you can still grab a breath, you fight. Don't give up. He pans from the tree to this, an image of the father encouraging the son who has been wounded in a battle. He's very young and his face has been scarred. And so it's a very touching moment. But I went to this movie and the Lord just used it to speak to me, just to tell everybody not to give up, that it's almost over, that the time's here, and don't stop and do not give up, because those who persevere are the ones who leave.